Remembering your lessons is a vital part of primate life. It's not just learning how to exploit your environment. Just as important is knowing when to do so. This is Africa's Cape Peninsula. It's the furthest south that monkeys have managed to settle. There's a wide range of plant food here, but because the soil is so poor in nutrients, Chacma baboons find it difficult to get the range of sustenance they need, however much they eat. So they have had to become quite adventurous in what they will tackle. The waters around the Cape are among the richest in the world. And the wily baboons have become tidal experts. If you rely on the tides to expose your food, you have to work to fairly tight schedules. Every 2 weeks, on the lowest spring tide, there's a chance to collect something really special.